Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a video of the Kmart Alaska ceiling fan. Well, Braon Kmart Alaska ceiling fan. I extended the chains. Like this part right here is not original, but this actual pull chain part is original. This part is original, but this part isn't original. This thing keeps on falling off. But the light does not work, but the fan's already on. I think it's on low. Let's turn it. Let's turn him on, see what speed he's on. See, he's on low. Like I left him. I put longer chains on him. Because, well, I just wanted to. I think it looks better like that. Alright, let's turn him up to medium. This pull chain ain't gonna be in use because the light don't even work. I think it's going this way. It's blowing air. On high, I'll show you guys how much air blows. It's been kind of a while since I did a video of this thing. It's been quite a minute. And I'm gonna be doing reverse too, so. And the quality's a little bit better because I grown up and my voice does not sound so bad. Take out the tripod. There you go. Alright, now turn the fan off. And I ain't gonna reverse it. I'm gonna stop the fan though off camera. Okay, guys. I'm gonna reverse the switch. It's so hard to reach. What kind of hard is it? Hold on. Dust fell in my eye. Hey, I reversed it. Turn it back to high. Let's turn it on high. This time we're gonna go from low, medium, high to high, medium, low. So there's high. Camera's running out of space. But it's medium. Oh, there's low. Then I will do 0 to high. Let's say, reverse it back. Okay, let's turn it off. You'll see it stopped. Alright, got it stopped. Reverse it back. Come on. There we go. 0 to high. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And goodbye.